Sweetener here. I'm a New York Times bestselling author and chef, bringing you a recipe in partnership with the FreeStyle Libre 14-day system. Today, we are going to make chocolate almond zoats. You know, I know that a lot of people think eating healthy, especially when they're trying to manage their diabetes, can really feel like a chore. But it's recipes like these that can make it really easy because you don't feel like you're depriving. And if you're wearing a continuous glucose monitor, like the FreeStyle Libre 14-day system, you can get real-time glucose readings without finger sticks, so you can make informed choices in choosing ingredients. It's so good. It's so sweet and chocolatey and delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this one.